Hi everyone, welcome to my series number 5. We're going to talk today about training and mentorship because I think they are equally as important. You want to pick, number one, you want to pick an office that has very good training, because what happens today, and it's really hard to tell, in an office you're going to have an agent who's not doing well, needs extra cash, so he volunteers to help out with training. That's not the best mentor and the best trainer, but now the company can say they have training. So watch out for that, all right? Go to where there's very, very good training and find yourself a mentor within that organization to keep you on track. It's sort of like going to the gym. I go to the gym 3 times a week, and if I didn't have a mentor or a trainer that I had to go to, I wouldn't go. I drag myself there because I know he's waiting for me. When you have a mentor, it's the same kind of thing, or a coach, even better, but mentors, coach, same kind of idea, but a mentor, you can have somebody that you're working together with to keep you motivated, keep you focused, because implementation is absolutely key. That's where people fail. I mentioned to you earlier that the reason why my twin brother does so well, he's so disciplined. 5 calls a day to his database, 3 pop-bys a week, open houses every weekend. It's simple, it's implemented every day. That is just 100% crucial. If you want to succeed, you better start implementing, because if you don't, that's going nowhere. So I'll leave you with that. Just remember that. Get yourself a mentor or a coach, but a good office with training, and implement. That is key. See you in that next series.